Who's the meanest kitty of all? Why are you so mean? Kitty. Kitty, be a nice kitty. Why you gotta be like that?
Are you hungry? How about some tuna?
Is your cat causing trouble again? Here's how to complain back in their language.
Yeah, I've been here the whole time. I'm just trying to watch The Parent Trap.
No.
When a cat meows like this, it means they're feeling really lonely. Go to them now.
What's going on? Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh.
Cats suddenly acting grumpy. If they sound like this, they're definitely scolding you. Do cats like to mimic you? Totally. They're language masters. After all, I love you.
Hello?
Cats talk to us one way, and to each other in a whole different language.
Merv, what were you doing last night? Oh, it smells like you had a party over here. Stinky. Merv, I know Charles was here. Yeah. Merv, your room is a mess.
Cats whisper too. Ever heard them make soft little sounds like that?
Ming! Hello! Hello! Hi!
As soon as you hear this sound run, a cat battle's about to start. Cat makes this sound yep. Their hunting don't mess with their focus.
Please don't bite me.
What? Oh, are you mad I was gone all day? Okay, sorry. Did I hit you?
Listen closely. This is how a cat sounds when they want something from you.
You're very mean. I don't want to play, but you're not nice. Not nice. You're not very nice. Move. Not very nice, huh?
Wonder how cats say I love you. Just listen to your own cat.
All right, he's usually not this bad in the morning, but today is exceptional. Krieger, why are you so mad?
Coda! Sir. You just want the pets, but Mom's wet. Coda?
Did you know your cat can snore to listen closely? It's bedtime told you cats speak human pretty well. Don't believe me, just listen to this. Everyone loves praise, even cats. When they bring you something, praise them.
¿Qué trajiste, Solecín? Oh, muchas gracias. Gracias. Bien chiquito. Thank you. Is that for me? Is that my mousey? Thank you for breakfast. Thanks. ready?